Shalom and welcome to Israelite Studies. In this video, the precepts used for reading will cover the word topic, restore. The King James Version Bible is the translation of choice. We hope you are thoroughly edified. Psalms 51 verse 12. Restore unto me the joy of thy salvation, and uphold me with thy free spirit. 1 Maccabees 3 verse 43. They said one to another, let us restore the decayed fortune of our people, and let us fight for our people and the sanctuary. Acts 1 verse 6. When they therefore were come together, they asked of him, saying, Lord, wilt thou at this time restore again the kingdom to Israel?